Hi, this is Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina, and today I wanted to talk to you about a potential hazard when you buy a house, and that's aluminum wiring. And when we talk about aluminum wiring, we're talking about the single strand aluminum wiring for the 110, 120 volts, not the 220, 240. And I'll explain what the problem is. They still use aluminum today in the 220, 240, and it's really not a problem. It's just in the 110, 120, it will oxidize, it will expand. It's very malleable, and it's just not, it has too much resistance. Again, single strand, multi-strand, it's okay, or not become a huge problem. So when are we talking about here? It was used during the Vietnam War era, approximately 1965 to 1973. So if you're buying a home in that age range, you probably want to look, have your inspector look. I don't want to tell homeowners to pull a panel or something because it's dangerous, but get a home inspector or electrician to look and see if they have aluminum wiring. If they do, there's a couple of different fixes you can do for it. You could rewire the whole house, but that's very expensive and maybe not the most practical solution. There are 3 different types of other repairs, and it would take a long time to go into detail them. Most of them involve some type of pigtailing to copper because it's where the connections are made that, where they expand, and that becomes the problem. So there are a lot of different ways you can fix it, but definitely want to consult an electrician. If you buy a house with aluminum wiring, it's not in my mind, it's not a deal killer, but I definitely would get one of these methods to correct it by a qualified licensed electrician. Again, so this has been Preston Sandlin with Home Inspection Carolina, talking today about single strand aluminum wiring used during the Vietnam War era. If you have any home inspection questions or want to find out more about us, go to homeinspectioncarolina.com. Thank you.